Ravinia gets a 10 on responsiveness. That's one of the reasons that I use them for everything. The reason we went with Ravinia on the air conditioner is air conditioning, it was a huge job, and we wanted the best that we could get. There's never a hard sell. They have always been immediately responsive. They're there exactly when I need them to be there, sometimes that same day. You get something that you trust and you stick with it. I always recommend Ravinia, as they were recommended to me.